Hello, this is John with Millionaire Bug. The topic today will be changing out the igniter switch on this Rheem water heater.
I want to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever I release a new video.
So, what we're going to have here is this customer went ahead and ordered the igniter. Let me pull that out of the box. Water heater part supply. He contacted Rheem, and Rheem went ahead and sent him a new igniter. So that's what I'm going to do here today. Is I'm going to go ahead and remove the old igniter, and then install this new igniter. Let me sit down here, show you what this looks like here in the box. So this is what it looks like. Came out of the box. Right there. And what basically is going to be is I'm going to be disconnecting this wire here, and it goes down inside this water heater. Pull the insulation here out of the way. I'll be removing the screws, and there's that orange grommet. This is the gas safety valve that goes to the igniter. So if that doesn't work properly, it won't let it ignite. It's all it is a sensor. It's weird how that works, but you have a sensor, this guy, that senses the heat comes up through this tube, and then it tells the controller, okay, let's go ahead and give it some gas. So then the gas will come out of here, which is this little pilot, which is right there. Sends the gas to it, igniter ignites it, sends heat to this probe. Again, all that is when you hold down the button on the pilot up there. It makes this little probe get hot, and it transfers the heat through this little tube. Tells the controller, okay, it's hot enough. Everything's going to function. When you let go of the igniter, then it tells it to go ahead and turn on the gas to the main burner. So again, I'm going to go ahead and remove the one and put this new one in. So there's the burner. The igniter is right there. Here's the new igniter. So this is the burner, and the igniter is right down there. So again, I removed it out of the water heater, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the old burner, the old igniter, reinstall it on the burner, and we'll go from there. All right, so there it is installed, the new one right there, and here's the comparison of the old one, which does look like it's wind up getting a little hot, but can't tell if there was any issues with it. But there it is right there. There's the new one installed. So now I'm going to go ahead and slide it down inside this unit and wrap it up. Okay, she's installed. And that wraps this up for a rainwater heater. Replace the igniter assembly. Talk to you soon.